Hello students, as in the last lecture we have studied the format of bill of exchange and acceptance of bill of exchange. In that we have already studied the journal acceptance and qualified acceptance. Now all this we have go through with the more examples. See, the given example is Mr. Amol Sane, 42, Gangadham, MG Road, Ratnagiri, draws. It means who is the drawer, who draws the bill. So, who is the drawer in this question? Amol Sani. Bill of period 45 days, right? On Mrs. Sagarika Mane. On whose him he draw the bill? Sagarika Mane. So, who is the drawee? Sagarika Mane. And her address is given, right? Then, amount is given 18,750. On which date bill is drawn? 1st March 2020, which was accepted on 4th March for rupees 15,000. See that bill is drawn for 18,000 but drawee is accepted for 15,000 by Sagarika Mane. So this is known as what? Qualified acceptance as to amount. It means the drawee accepted the bill with the certain condition regarding the amount, then it is known as what? Qualified acceptance as the amount. See, as we are knowing, right hand side top on the corner, the name of the drawer, his address and date. You have to write the date of the bill, not the date of acceptance. Then stamp, and here you have to write the amount of the bill, not the amount of acceptance. It is the amount of the bill 18,750. What is the period? 45 days after date paid to me. Why here it is written me? Because no pay mentioned in the question. So the money will be received by the drawer itself, and drawer is drawing the bill, so it is written pay to me or my order a sum of rupees 18,750 only for the value received, right? Then sign of the drawer, and left hand side bottom it is written drawee's name and address. Now the main part before this acceptance word, it is known as what? Draft. And after writing accepted word, it is known as what? Bill of exchange. Accepted for 15,000. See, the amount of the bill is 18,750 and the acceptance is 15,000. So it is known as what? Qualified acceptance as amount. Sign, drawee's name and date of acceptance. See, the date is different, date of bill is different, and the date of acceptance is different. So it is known as what? Qualified acceptance as amount. Now we will go to the more example regarding the qualified acceptance as to time. See, given partners of Nirja Publishing House, Nariman Point, Mumbai, Samir Gupta. Who is the partner? Samir Gupta, right? Draws a bill. It means who is the drawer? Samir Gupta, Nirja Publishing House, Nariman Point, Mumbai, date 9 February 2020. See that. Exchange for 1 month on 9 February 2020 for 62,000. Date of the bill is 9 February 2020. Amount of the bill is 62,000. On whom they draw the bill? On Namrata Kokir, Panvel Road, Kharghar, payable to Mrs. Vidya Traders, Lonavala. The bill was accepted on the same day for 2 months. Now the period is changed. Time is changed. See, the bill of exchange. Who is the drawer? Nirja Publishing House, Nariman Point, Mumbai, date 9 February 2020. Right here you can, on the top you can write Samir Gupta, Nirja Publishing House, Nariman Point, Mumbai, date. Then stamp. What is the amount? 62,000. What is the period? 1 month. See, do not write 2 months because bill is drawn for 1 month. 1 month after the date paid to Mrs. Vidya Traders. Why it is written Vidya Traders? Because the bill is drawn in the name of the payable to Vidya Traders. The bill is drawn on whose name? Namrata Koki. It is a drawee, but payable to Vidya Traders. So it is a pay. So drawer is different, drawee is different, and pay is the different. Vidya Traders, Lonavala, or their order. See, his or her is not reckoned because it is the company's name. It is the organization name. So it is given their order as a sum of rupees 62,000 only for the value received. Now see sign of the whose drawer, Samir Gupta, partner of for Nirja Publishing House, and then 2, Namrata Koki, right? See the difference, payee, drawer, drawee, right? And here the drawer sign. One more time revise. Who draws bill? Samir Gupta of Nirja Publishing House. So he is the drawer. On whose name he draw? On Namrata Koki. So she is the drawee. And to whom the money is payable? Vidya Traders. So they are the payee, right? Panvel Road, Kharghar. See now, accepted for 2 months. Bill is drawn for how many months? 1 month. But it is accepted for 2 months. Sign Namrata Koke, 9 February. Bill is drawn on 9 February and accepted on the same day, 9 February, but accepted for 2 months. So it is known as what? Qualifying acceptance as type. Same way, more examples we will see afterwards. Now another part is given after side bill. Now what is the after side bill? First we will go to the example, then we will see the total meaning of the after side. See the Anuradha Patil 37 AICC Towers, Goregaon, Mumbai draw a bill. She draw the bill, so Anuradha is the drawer. Mumbai draw a bill 23rd January 2020 for 57,450 bill was drawn for how many months? 2 months. But see, after site is given on Shanti Vishwakarma. On whose name the bill is drawn? Shanti Vishwakarma. So Shanti Vishwakarma is a drawee. His address, her address, right? Payable to Shamla Kate, right? Shamla Kate. Now she is the payee. Nashik. The bill was accepted on 27 January 2020. As we are knowing the format, right hand side drawer's name, left hand side stamp and amount in figures, middle bill of exchange wordings, contain, again downside left, drawer's name, right hand side bottom, drawer's sign and drawee's name and accepted wording, right? Now see the Anuradha Patil 37, Anuradha Patil drawer, her address and date of bill which is given in the question 23rd January. Again stamp, amount 57,450. Now 2 months after site. Now see the wording, 2 months after site, and normal question it is given 90 days after date. See the difference, after date and after site. Pay to Shamkala Kate. Now she is the payee. So here it is not written pay to me or my order, but it is written pay to Shamla Kate Nashik or her order a sum of rupees 57,450 only for the value received. Then sign of the drawer, name of the drawee and address, and last accepted. This wording is important. Accepted, sign, name of the drawee and date of acceptance, right? Now we have to learn the meaning of after site, but before that we have to see the one more different type of bill of exchange. Now it is as a demand bill. Now we will see what is the difference between after side, after date, demand bill. See the example of demand bill: drawer, drawee, date of bill, date of acceptance and amount. As we are knowing, drawer name and address, date of bill, stamp, amount of bill, on demand. Now see the wordings there, 90 days after date, 90 days after site, and now here the started with the on demand paid to me. On demand paid to me or my order the sum of rupees 38,740 only for the value received. To Gauri Mule, it is the drawee. Vashi, her address and date 17 August 2019. Sign Kedar Pandit. Accepted, sign Gauri Mule 17 August 2006. See the difference is given on demand, right? So what is all that difference? It is given for calculating the date of maturity. Now we will go one by one the different terms used in the bill of exchange. Now first term is used your term or tenure of the bill. It means period of the bill, for how many months, for how many days the bill is drawn, whether it is a 30 days, 1 month, 2 months, 45 days, 90 days, then it is a term of the bill. The term of the bill is a period of time after which the bill becomes payable. Term of the bill may be in a month or a days. Draft, as we have already seen, a bill before acceptance, it is known as what? Draft. Now what is the meaning of days of grace? 3 extra days allowed by law over and above the term of the bill to the drawee in order to make the arrangement for the payment of the amount of the bill. Then it is known as what? Grace, right? What is the meaning? Simple. What is the meaning of grace days? If suppose the bill's due date is 20 January, right? So 3 more extra days, 20 January plus 3 more days, it means 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 23rd January, the drawee has to make the payment to the drawer. These 3 extra days is given by the drawer to the drawee to make the arrangements for the payment. It is known as what? Grace days. However, grace days are not allowed for the bill payable on demand or at side. Demand or side. See, already we have seen the two different, that is demand bill and side bill. These 3 days is not given in the demand bill or side bill. Now what is the meaning of date of maturity or due date? Maturity date or due date, it means what? So we will see that what is the date of maturity. Date of maturity, it means the date on which the drawee has to make the payments to the drawer. Again, in that, two important words is given: nominal due date and legal. Nominal, it means as the days is given, you have to calculate, and whatever date is arrived, it is nominal. But when you are added the 3 extra grace days in that, then it is a legal due date. Now we will learn this through the some examples. See, a bill dated 12 June 2019 is payable 2 months after date. Now calculate the due date of the bill. See, given it is date of bill is what? 12 June, it means 6 months, and year 2019. And what is the period? 2 months. So now 6 plus 2 months, 7 and 8 months. It is August month, right? So nominal due date will be 12 August 2019, right? When we are adding the 3 extra grace days in that, it is a legal due date. Then we will write the date of maturity will be 15 August 2019. But now here is one problem, right? 15 August is a national holiday. No transaction will be done on this date. So when there is the due date of the bill of exchange is falls on the national holiday, that is on the 15 August and 26 January, then public holiday, then on that account, on that the bill of exchange due date will be 14 August, and if it is falls on the 26 January, then it will be a 25th January, the day before, right? But suppose in case if any emergency is declared by the government, so the date will be taken after date. It means on the, suppose on the 10th, so as we are knowing that the 22 in, suppose if the government has declared the emergency holiday, so on 5th January, suppose the government has declared the emergency holiday and some basis falls maturity on the 5th January, then the drawee will be taken the maturity date on the 6th January. It means day after the date of maturity, and if the public holiday will be there, then the day of before of maturity, right? Now we will go through the more example. See, bill 14 December 2019 is payable 90 days after date. Calculate the due date of the bill. On actual date is, wait, now it is given in the days format. Here it is given on the month format. Now see, actual days of December is 31st, right? Now 31st minus 14, because bill is drawn on 14. So on expiry days is how much? 17. Now January 31st days, February 29 days, and March 13 days. Total is how much? 90 days. So the date will be how much? 13 March 2020. It is a nominal date, and plus grace days is how much? 3 days. So the legal due date is what? 16 March 2020. Now see the meaning of after sight or on demand bill. See the example. The date of bill is 4th March 2020. Period is 2 months. So you have to calculate the due date. Date of bill is 4th March 2020. First month is April. Second month is May. So the due date will be 4th May 2020. But it is a nominal due date. When we are adding the 3 extra days, it is the 7th May 2020, right? But suppose if the bill is accepted on 7th March and we have to calculate the date of bill, and bill is drawn on the basis of after sight. It means when we are writing the 90 days after the date, there we are writing 90 days after sight. When the wording after sight is given, then how to calculate the due date? 7th March and here 4th March. It means when the bill is drawn on the basis of after sight, you have to calculate the maturity date on from the date of acceptance, not from the date of bill drawn. So 7th March 2020, 2 months, it is the April and May. 7th May 2020, and one more difference is there. See here we are adding the grace days, but for this we are not added the grace date. It is a final and legal due date. So the difference you understand that in the nominal bill pay after date, you have to add the grace days and you have to calculate the date of the bill, and you have to calculate the date of maturity from the date of bill. And when the bill is drawn on demand or after sight, you have to calculate the bill is drawn on after sight, you have to calculate the date of the bill from the date of acceptance. And for demand, it means whenever drawer is demanding the money, the drawee has to pay the. So the students, I think this part is clear to you. Study more from the textbook. If you are having any doubt, let me know. I will explain one more time.